Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome to today's second part of SHIB update. So the first one that I've actually posted in the past videos that I've been talking about is that SHIB has a technical target to reach to 1823. This is the technical target, and so far SHIB is like holy hell. And I actually bought SHIB when it was down here. My entry prices for SHIB was at this level, 800. I don't know if you want to believe that or not, but I'm holding SHIB for a very long term now, and I've been doing SHIB videos for like nearly 7 months now, and I've actually been pretty accurate with SHIB at the moment. And today, as a matter of fact, yesterday I talked about that SHIB, as long as you're not losing this level, which is going to be 114 and 1142, then SHIB is printing inverted and shoulder, and that inverted and shoulder had a technical target to basically come to 1484, including the zero and the decimals, whatever. Now at the moment you're printing in this candle. The thing that I want to say is that if you're putting in one candle which is actually green like this, and you're putting another candle which is green like that, in the next 30 minutes you're about to close this green candle. And if you end up shooting up to this level at 1820 in the next 4-hour candlestick, then 3 green candles back to back are known as 3 white soldiers, and you're going to be putting in 3 white soldiers, and you might consolidate a little bit here and then continue to move to the upside. Whatever is going to happen, just subscribe to this channel, stick to the updates, and we're going to talk about them in the future. The updates are going to be regular, so don't miss them, and join the Discord. The link is in the description of the video as well, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz. Hey, can I tell you something real quickly? There's this subscribe button right here. Once you click that, there's a bell icon as well, and I want you to click that. Secondly, if you want to be a part of our signals agreement group, and you want to actually take my signals and when I trade, you can click on this video, on the link in the description of the video, and you can join the signals agreement for $10 per month. Or maybe you don't want to actually the signals, then you want to actually learn the way I trade, then click on this link here, Adam Coins, and you are going to go to this trading course, and we have 42 different topics, 18 hours of contents to make sure that you never lose a trade again anymore. It's actually $49, okay? If you look at it, it's $49, but there's one more thing. What you want to do is actually click on the Discord link here. Once you do that, you're going to actually join our Discord link, and we do have so many different coin chats right over here, from Bitcoin all the way to Solana to VeChain all the way to Luna Classic. It's absolutely free of cost, and all you want to do is you want to go to this channel called Announcement, click on the announcement, click on my name, and drop me a message, and I'm gonna give you a discount of $20 from this course, and you can get it for $49, and it's yours. Trade safe, trade careful. Bye.